humuni naalumay as the sun drifts slowly away. Golden fire on the sea, naragsak di puso ko finally free. No more hurry, no more race. Adda, Talna, daytoy a place. The init, agpaay, rabii, and heaven bends so close to me. Ay di langit, di Pangil Beach, so beautiful beyond my reach. Orange, red, can blue so deep. Di kararua ko, agkarkararag, agturog in peace. When the daylight says goodbye, Talna fills both earth and sky. Di baybay, I clearly see Adda, Talna inside of me. Fishing boats against the flame, Silueta di biag, always the same. Ngem, every sunset feels brand new. Saan agpada di kulay, di angin, ag-ay-ayat nga umay, whispers hope at end of day. I stand still, I breathe in slow. Di pamati ko agtubo, no applause, no loud parade, just the obra di apo naramid. Ay di langit, di Pangil Beach, painting dreams we cannot reach. Amber fades to violet light, agkarkararag, rabii tonight. Under stars that start to shine, heaven's peace becomes mine. Iti baybay, I believe. Rangay kental na I receive. No agtayat tagitirigatin tun bigat. If tomorrow feels mabigat, I'll remember this horizon line where dagat meets the divine. Di Pangil wide, where hope and sunset coincide. Every ending softly shows, di kinapinta city letting go. As the stars shine over me, naragsak, napnek, truly free. Di Pangil, I finally see. Di langit calm, ken kastamet di biag ko.